Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to unhide rows in Excel. So first we will hide these rows by selecting them and then right click on it and hide rows. And then to unhide rows, select the above and below row of the rows which have been hidden by you and then right click on it and here you can see unhide. And there is also a shortcut to unhide, as first we will hide these. First select the rows and hide them, and again select above and below of the hidden rows and then press Ctrl Shift 9 and you can see the rows are unhide. So this is how you can unhide rows in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.